Good morning students. In the last video we have started with chapter number 14, maps and symbols. We have ended at page number 87 and we had seen the picture, and alongside we have also find some pictures where are they located. Now next we will see, can you tell? Study the sketch and do the following. Now they have given us some sketch and we have to study it and we have to do what they have given. First one, draw the symbol used to represent a house. Now what is the symbol they have used to represent the house? See, here is the symbol which is representing the house. Next to the symbol means first you have to draw this symbol. Next to the symbol, write the number of times it appears in the sketch. Now we have to see which is the symbol. It is the symbol which is representing the house, and we have to write the number of times it is appearing in the sketch. Means how many times it is appeared in the sketch. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is appeared 4 times in the sketch. Draw the symbol used to represent a tree. Which is the symbol which is used to represent the tree? See, this is the symbol which is used to represent the tree. Next to the symbol, write the number of trees seen in the sketch. Now we have to write the number of the trees which are seen in the sketch. How many trees are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. There are 14 trees in the sketch. List the things in Anju's locality that do not appear in the sketch. Now you have to list the things in the Anju's locality, means where Anju is living, and that do not appear in the sketch. You can refer to the last picture given on the last page. We made use of different symbols while making this sketch. Now they have used different types of symbols while making the sketch. To convert a sketch into a map, you need to show the directions. Now first what we have to do to convert this sketch into the map, we have to show first the direction. Means north, see, here is the north, here is the south, here is the, where is the east and west, and include the index and title and a scale. Moving objects are not included on the map. Means which are the moving in objects? People walking, moving vehicles, etc. These things are not included in the map. A winding road in an area is shown to take exactly the same turns on the map. That is how roads, rivers and railways lines are always shown on the map. A map of Anju's house and locality is given below. See, now this is the map which is done with the help of the sketch. When you make a map of your locality, compare it with this map. Are there any components missing in your map? Add them. You can make your own locality map also with the help of this map, and you can check if anything is missing in this map. See, here they have shown the map directions north, west, east and south. Here is Anju's school. So these are the things which are shown over here, and these are the symbols which are representing. See, tree with the, this is the symbol for the tree. Colony, this is the symbol for the colony. Bus stop, this is the symbol for the bus stop. Park, where is the park? See, here is the park. House, here is the house. Central market, here is the central market. Hotel, here is the hotel. Telephone exchange, where is the telephone exchange? It is green in color. See, here is the telephone exchange. Jilla Parishad, here is the Jilla Parishad office. Statue, here is the statue. Anju school, see, here is Anju school. District hospital, this is district hospital. Ice cream parlor, where is the ice cream parlor? Here is the ice cream parlor. Post office, see, here is the post office. Police chowki, here is the police. With the help of these things, you can find out the locations very easily, and it is very easy to find out the things which are there nearby the locality of Anju's house. So, and this is the scale. See, 0 to 5, 5 to 10 meters. This is the scale. So, with the help of these things, it is very easy to find the things near the locality of Anju's house. You can do this same for your own locality also. You can compare this map or sketch with the help of with this picture also, and you can see the difference between it. Now, do you know the art of map making has now advanced greatly. Now the map making is very easy and it has a advance. It is advanced now. Our ancestors, means our elders, also used to make maps. They used animal skins. What they used to use? They used to use animal skins, bones, cowries and clay or stone tablets to make maps. Approximately 5,000 years ago, there was a civilization called Mesopotamia. A clay tablet of those days showing some parts of Mesopotamia is shown alongside. Take a look. See, this is the Mesopotamia. Firstly, they used to use this to make the map. See, here you can see there are pictures on this Mesopotamia. With this help, they used to make the map. Try this. Design simple symbols for the list of natural and man-made objects. What we have to make? You have to design simple symbols. You have to make short symbols for the list of natural and man-made objects that you prepared earlier. You have to make a sketch of your locality on a piece of paper using these symbols. This is a small activity. If you want to try, you can try this. What we have to do? We have to do first draw a roads. First we have to draw roads, then rivers, then railway lines, exactly as they are in your locality. Means however it is in your locality, same you have to draw road, river and railway line on the piece of paper. Then show other things using the symbols you have designed. Then you can also show other things. Along with the sketch, make an index of the symbols you have used. Against each symbol, write what it stands for. See, here is the index. This is called the index. It is showing this is the tree, this is the police chowki. You have to write the name against the symbol. Means we will get to know what it stands for. Show a compass rose in your map taking into account the direction in which the sun rises in your locality. Now name the outline my locality. You can see they have given here the example. You can write my locality and you can also draw the direction north, south, east, west. You have to draw it like this map and it will take the taking into account the direction in which the sun rises. The outline you have prepared is a map, but it is not a scale. See here, they have given you find and circle the mistakes in the like this you can draw the map, and this is the another use your brain power, find and circle the mistakes in the map. This is another example. I will explain you this later, but like this same you can make for your own locality. You can make trees, whatever there are things around your house, you can, or in your locality you can make this symbol and you can label them. This I will explain you in the next video. Thank you.